Hello everyone. Before I start this video, I should inform you about the reason of the late upload last week. I am recently suffering from some health issues and unfortunately I'm unable to carry on uploading every week, and because of the certain limitation on my health, and somehow I apologize for those viewers and subscribers that I caused them to be disappointed. But as soon as I get better, I get back to the normal uploading schedule, which was every week. But until then, I'm afraid I am a little bit limited to a video 10 days. And if even that 10 days got a little bit longer, please forgive me, because it's out of my hand. So I do my best to keep you happy and entertained as much as I can. Anyhow, enough about me, and now we talk about this item. This item is a massage gun M1, and if you want to find it on eBay or Amazon, is URIKAR M1. So this item is being sold via different names, but this one I purchased it and I'm really happy about this. And the price, it's worth every penny. I bought this under £15, but immediately after, the seller raised the price to £20, under £20, and some other sellers, they are selling this up to £60 British pounds. So I'm not advising you to purchase this for £60, but definitely it's worth every penny, even for £20. Why? Because it has brushless motor, and it is a power bank, 2600 milliamp hour power bank, and it has 4 different modes that strength that you can use this for different parts of your body. And the only caveat is just coming with one head, but there are other heads that you can purchase on eBay, but you have to pay close attention to the dimensions of this. The only other caveat that it comes with this is the grip, and the grip is a little bit cumbersome, because it's a little bit thick when you are holding it like this, and after a while your hand is getting tired. Anyhow, you shouldn't do this more than 15 minutes at a time on each part of your body, and it has some sort of safety sensor inside that after, I don't know, 10 minutes, it doesn't say much. It has a safety that is turning itself off after a while, but in my experience, while I was testing it, it never turned itself off, no matter how long I played. But I used it for more than, I haven't used it more than 10 minutes anyway. So let's go through all of this and see what it says. It says lightweight, and I have to say, the weight of this is 571 grams, which is neglecting to say in the booklet and specification in instruction manual. So as I mentioned, it has 4 speed levels, 1 button operation, which is very handy, and then a compact design. Anyhow, I get everything out of the box, and we are going to talk more. But before that, here are the dimensions, and we are going to have a look at it anyway. And the input via the USB Type-C is 5 volt 2 amp for charging the power bank, and then for the USB output is again 5 volt 2 amp output for your charging devices. Anyway, it doesn't say anything else any other places. So this is the box. I get everything out of the box, and we are going to talk more. When you open the box, you come across all of this that you see. It's very simple. The item is in here, in this plastic, and that plastic placed in here, in this case, which is very soft, very rugged. It's like the material that you put your laptop in there, and it has a very nice pinkish, orangish handle that is very sturdy. And then the Type-C charging cable, and then the user manual. We just quickly going to show you what it comes in the box and how the instruction manual looks like. And then the next page, we are going to see the controls here, the power button and the output and input USBs. And here is the specification that neglects to say how heavy this one is, but is telling you 2600 milliamp hour power bank that is inside, and the charging voltage 5 volt 2 amp, and is not a smart charging. So it's just normal charging, and it takes about 4 hours to charge 2600 milliamp hour battery that consists of 3 18650 batteries. I show you the inside of this as well. So you guys talking about maintenance, and then the safety stuff and so on and so forth. And then the next page is just not saying much because it's all about Percussion. So we put this also aside, and now we are going to the unit itself. And the unit itself, as I mentioned, is let me see if I have my scale here. This is OCD attack. Yeah, this is a scale, and I read it out for you while I'm putting it in there. And it says 572 grams in total. So is like a bag of sugar. You have a little bit of grip here. It has some sort of soft, feel into it. And then here is the metal, and it has this plastic shiny top in this. And then here are the controls, and here are the vents for the motor. I show you, as I mentioned, I show you the inside. And then you have the power button, and then USB Type-C charging, and USB out for charging your devices as a power bank. So let me just show you how it operates with one button. And this one is when you press it once, it just shows you the level of battery, which is full now, and now is ready to be turned on. And when you press and hold, it just turns itself on with the first strength, second strength, and then third, and then the fourth, which is very strong. But believe me, it's very quiet. if you can hear it. But if you have, because it's prohibited to use this, and if you press and hold, it's going to turn itself off. It's prohibited to use where that muscle tissues, they are not thick enough, and all of this is just dust that is gathering. The quality of this is rubbery stuff that sometimes they are disintegrating, but I don't know which one is this, but it's dust magnet. As you see, I never used this here and still is full of dust, and with my OCD doesn't work well. Anyway, this part is metal. When you open it, you have to turn this clockwise or anti-clockwise, just a quarter of turn, and then it comes off when you take the head off. This one comes off like so, and then you can put this apart, the two sides. But how to open it? There are two hex screws here, and then with a spudger you start separating all of this, and there are two hooks here and some hooks here, there and there and there. I'll show you maybe in the images if it's visible. And then when it comes off, you just have to separate them from the top, and there are no screws inside. They are all press fitted together, no glues, nothing, so it's easy to open. But remember, when you opening it, just to turn this anti-clockwise just a tad to take it off and put it back on. Anyway, I have some images of this that I show you. To be honest with you, the only grip that I have with this is just holding it and coming with one head. But for the price, what do you expect? Well, there are cheaper items out there that it doesn't have the brushless motor, and it doesn't have this pretty look in here, but they are under £10, and they come with 6 or 8 tips that's coming with it. But the quality of this is recommendable, and this one is chrome. Is really good quality stuff. So I show you the images of inside this. This is the tip of here that you see, and then this is the battery, and the battery is 2600 milliamp hour, 10.8 volts, 28.1 watt hour, and that's all. And then is the bearings, ball bearings that it has for this shaft to go out and in, and this is the brushless motor, and the brushless motor is well balanced, and you can see they grind this part that is turning just to make it 100% balanced and avoid all the vibration and everything. And that is the mechanism of the turning of this brushless motor. Maybe I show you the inside the listings as well. And this is the PCB. These are LEDs, turning on, power button, and then the rest for the charging and everything. And the next is the back of the PCB for those that they are interested. And there are 4 wires going to the motor, because it's a brushless motor. This is another image, and you can see these that they grind it off to make it 100% balance. And that's really it. And if I want to show you the listing of this, that at the moment they are selling it for £20. I have purchased this for under £15, and this is the item, and this is the seller, bargains direct, and this is the new price, and this is the motor that I wanted to see if that is true, and this is the battery. But the battery obviously wasn't like this. I showed you 3 of them forming a triangle inside, lying on top of each other. And that's really it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and again apologize for the OCD attack. Yeah, I messed up everything here. Anyway, I apologize for the late uploads, and I hope you bear with me until I get better. Anyhow, again, thanks for watching, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.